Hello all, welcome to the channel DevOps Tech Stack yet again. A big thanks to all the people who are subscribing to the channel, and in turn it make me to keep going and come up with new videos. A quick reminder to all of you that this playlist I have created keeping in mind that it should suit for both the technical and non-technical background people. And also I am trying to keep my videos with short and crisp information. In the upcoming videos, I will keep real-time examples for explaining all the concepts. Now, talking about the previous three videos in this playlist, we have discussed all about software development lifecycle, what is DevOps and Agile method, and all about Jira software, which comes under the planning phase for software development. If you haven't watched that video yet, do check that out. I will share the link in description. Just to add disclaimer here, if you are beginner to DevOps and few of the terms used in this video might sound new to you, then please don't worry as I will be explaining all this in the upcoming videos. Today in this video, we are going to discuss what are DevOps engineer roles and responsibilities, and I will mainly discuss 5 important points. The very first is configuring and provisioning the infrastructure. Let's say you have created an application for online bookstore, but this code need to be deployed on some machine. So those machines are actually servers. It can either be virtual machines or on-prem. In real time, we provision and configure those machines using DevOps tools like Ansible. Secondly, we have set up and manage DevOps CI/CD pipelines. As per our previous examples, we were planning to develop an online book application store. So in that case, the entire building, testing, deployment of code onto the servers will be managed by automating the entire steps into form of CI/CD pipelines using DevOps tools like Jenkins. In the upcoming videos, we are going to do hands-on on AWS machines for this process also. Third is monitoring the applications. Once Once you have deployed the online book application onto a server, it's your responsibility to monitor that application so that it is accessible to the customer. So we use tools like Prometheus for monitoring. Fourth one is taking backup. Endless customer might be accessing your application, and anytime if application goes down, in worst case, you need to have backup of the entire system somewhere. It can be on S3 bucket on AWS cloud or somewhere else. Fifth one is incident management and root cause analysis. You are responsible to resolve the incidents reported on the application deployed. The issue might sometimes be related with the application or code side, but you need to work with the developer also sometimes to resolve this issue. Also, you need to provide the complete analysis for the incident reported by the end user. Apart from all the major ones I mentioned, we have other responsibilities too, like configuring private registry for storing the images, check from the security side as well, decide on the DevOps tools as per your project requirements, overall system maintenance, and the list goes on. In my upcoming video, we are going to deep dive into Linux, which I believe is the base for entire DevOps. Till then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel DevOps Tech Stack, and you can connect with me on Insta too. Thank you.